Hi, I'm making this video about a DualLiner I bought for my 2017 Ram 1500 truck. When I bought the truck, it just had the WeatherTech tailgate protector on there and the Husky liner on the floor, but I wanted protection for all the sides, so I decided to get the DualLiner. And I must say, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. The installation took about 20 minutes. It fit like a glove. And I always had problems with the WeatherTech protector that was on there, that it would gap on the top and you'd be able to see the red paint between it, but this one's actually a nice fit. It comes up a little bit past the top to prevent it. It's pretty sturdy. I did use some of the glue down strips that they give you, the glue down tape. The floor is excellent, heavy duty, and I'll tell you what, everything all in all, it fit like a glove, even with the ladder rack I have on here. It was very, very easy to install. Took literally 15 minutes by myself, no problem. Just snap the front end and the two sides and do the tailgate. And like I said, I'm really impressed with it. It's pretty heavy duty. It's better than the all one-piece liner, which I had on my old truck, which developed a bunch of rot in the front. This, the way it sits, is just perfect. I mean, matte went in fine, no problems. I didn't even have to heat it up. There's no bubbles in it. And I'm very impressed with the product. Thanks.